Gaza. Abu Hattab had gone out to buy bread for dinner and sweets and toys for the Eid holiday when his house in a Gaza refugee camp was struck by the Israel Defense Forces on May 15, killing almost his entire family, including his wife and 4 sons. "I lost all my family, but my daughter, Maria, survived," said 34-year-old Abu Hattab, whose house was located in Shati, or beach camp, just north of Gaza City. His sister and her 4 children were also killed in the airstrike. "She is unable to talk anymore," he said of Maria. "She is in shock." For 11 days, the Gaza Strip, one of the most densely populated places on Earth, was repeatedly struck by the Israel Defense Forces, which says it was targeting military and intelligence infrastructure belonging to Hamas in retaliation for rockets that the militant group launched against Israel. During Israel's offensive, 254 people were killed in the Gaza Strip, including 66 children, and more than 1,900 were wounded, according to the Ministry of Health there. Israel says 12 of its civilians, including 2 children, and 1 soldier were killed. The 2 sides declared a ceasefire over the weekend, and President Biden followed up with a pledge to help rebuild Gaza. The reconstruction effort that lies ahead will likely be massive. Gaza's Ministry of Building and Housing says more than 107,000 Palestinians have been displaced from their homes due to the airstrikes. It's estimated that more than 1,800 houses were demolished or severely damaged, and another 13,000 were moderately or partially damaged. 3 tower blocks were completely destroyed. The World Health Organization says Gaza is also now facing a public health crisis as a result of the airstrikes, which damaged 24 health facilities. 3 water plants are out of service, and hospitals are facing fuel and power shortages.